Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to do calculation in Excel for entire column. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here some data. Now I am calculation to this data from entire column. Go to the select the data cell, click and drag on our mouse and select the auto sum drop down menu. You can see here many calculation. You can make this average, sum, count number, max, mini or more equation or function. Now I am only sum. We can see the sum total is 29. Now we can see we make calculation for Excel entire column very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.